Or are they really in the 6% range? Did you know that many mortgage quotes still exist in the mid to upper 6% because many companies are offering rates with upfront discount points? A discount point is when a borrower pays 1% of the loan amount upfront to buy down the interest rate by a certain percentage. A discount point of 1% of the loan balance is still good for at least 0.375% reduction in rates with most lenders today. Just be aware that 7.25% with no points is the exact same deal as 6.875 with 1 point. Personal preference will dictate whether a borrower would rather pay now or pay more over time. So these rates could change. Obviously, we expect rates will come down, but if you're really looking at your monthly payments and you can afford to pay that 1% of the loan amount, and buy down that rate to that amount, that could be a significant savings on your monthly payment. And then if rates even go further, maybe into that 5% range in the next few years, you could then refinance again. So you could get ahead of this and still have a lower mortgage payment than any other buyer that is going to stick with the fixed rate loan. With many buyers in this market so concerned about rates, nearly 67% of homeowners who want to sell say they're willing to wait until mortgage rates drop, according to Credit Karma. Most millennials will have to put their home purchase on hold. What do you think that will do to the rental market? Well, in Parkland alone, we have seen roughly 44 current active rentals on the market, while we only have 88 active for sale listings, compared to just 2 months ago when we had nearly 105 active for sale listings. Parkland is typically a seasonal market with less buyers and more active rentals on the market. We could see home inventory in the coming months increase. If you're looking for your forever home and you can afford to buy down the interest rate right now, you could land an amazing deal before interest rates are expected to rapidly drop in the next 12 months or so. This week in Parkland real estate, we have currently, as I said, 88 single family homes for sale. 33 of those 88 homes, which is 28%, have already been reduced in price. And among those 88 homes, the average days on market has climbed to 74 days for those homes. So we do have lower inventory, but it's showing you buyers are very, very picky about what they're looking to purchase right now. So it's even more indicative to hire the right agents that can prepare your home for sale and get you ahead of this curve. In the past 7 days alone, 6 new active listings, 11 price reductions, 15 homes went under contract, 16 homes closed and sold. Our median sales price is $1,165,000 year to date. The mortgage interest rates, we did get some favorable news. Obviously, they thought they were going to create 200,000 jobs, and I think it was only 170,000 or 180. So we did see a fluctuation in rates from 7.2 to 7.11 for the 30-year fixed rate. So that's what it is today as we speak. 15-year fixed rate at 6.47%. 30-year jumbo at 7.16. The jumbo is over 7%, and that's the mortgages that typically Parkland buyers are taking right now. And the 10-year treasury is over 4. It's at 4.07. So what does this all mean to you? Well, we're getting at the end of our summer season. Kids are going back to school in the coming weeks. They get then acclimated to extracurricular, to all the things that we all look at every year at this time. But buyers are still on the market. They're still looking. They're still active. They want to buy. People want to sell. But I think there's a combination of factors going on where people are reading the news and they're a little nervous about what's going to happen in our economy. But I do also believe, I think people are not as informed. Just in this video alone, I mean, you easily can be in the 6% range by just being able to buy down your rate. Now, maybe the seller could help do that on some of these deals. So I think if you're looking to purchase a property, you don't want to go back to when, the market was tough and there was a bidding war on homes. That's going to happen again. I don't think it's going to be that crazy 100 people lining up for houses in 2021 and 2022. But I do see that we're going to have more buyer activity once rates push under 6%. Statistically, they've already seen that it could be up to 4 to 5 million homeowners that will start looking to purchase properties once those rates get into that 5% range, even if it's the high five. So that's imminent. That's going to happen probably in the next 6, 12 or so months. So if you want to purchase now, get a great rate, maybe buy down the loan if you can afford to do that. Have the seller maybe help you. I mean, homes are sitting on the market. We only have 88 homes for sale, but they're on the market for 70 plus days. That's showing you, and a combination of 44 active rental listings on the market, it is showing you that we could have some good deals coming along. We could have inventory pick up as those expected and supposed landlords are maybe going to have to put their houses on the market for sale and maybe lose that interest rate because they're probably paying two payments wherever they're going to move to or move to already. So I do see inventory will pick up in the coming weeks and months, especially when kids go back to school, because obviously the buyer activity may slow down too. So this could be a great chance for you to still sell at a high price and then go look for a house that you might not have as many other buying competition on, and be able to get that rate buy down to a good 6.5 to 6.6 5% rate, and then refinance when rates go under 6% again. So there's a lot of options. I don't think as people are as informed about how strong of a market it is for a buyer right now if they want to be in the market and understand what they're getting into and get ahead of this curve. Because if you buy later and there's a lot of competition, you're going to end up buying a home that you might not love, and you're going to pay, yes, a smaller interest rate, but is it important to buy something, especially at the levels you're spending, on something you love, not that you like? So we are having an open house this weekend in Parkland Bay, both Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4. It's the lowest price listing in Parkland Bay right now at just under $1.35 million for a Sycamore model. Beautiful home on the water, 5+ bedrooms, and I would love to be able to show it to you. So if you have any interest, please look at our social media. If you have any questions, you're looking to know what your house is worth, please visit our website, My Parkland Home Value. You can also go to the top corner of the screen if you're watching this on television and use the QR code. We also just had the Parklander magazine come out. So we have a full page ad, and we also give our full market update. That we are blessed to be able to do that from the Parklander magazine company. So please look at it. We talk about the Parkland and Coral Springs market. We do this every month. Our advertisements in here, so you can learn a little bit about what we do and what our team has been selling. You can use the QR codes to see some of the behind the sales information and really get a little bit more familiar with who Parrot Realty is. We are selling the most houses listings this year. So far this year, we've had a lot of sales. We're over 40 listings that we've sold in the city of Parkland, and we're just rolling along. The market's changing, but we are helping a lot of homeowners like yourselves exceed their expectations and get their home sold for record prices still, and help them with the move. If it's within Parkland and surrounding areas or outside of the area, we can help you. We take our time, we show you our expertise, and we would love to earn your business and trust. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. And if you have any questions, please always reach out to us. We're here for you at all times of the day and night and weekend hours. So have a great weekend, and hope to see you at our open